In this video, we are going to learn how you can be able to carry out differentiation using the chain rule. Okay, so now if you are carrying out differentiation, in what instances do we normally use the chain rule? Now, if you have an equation and of this nature that is in the form of bracket, if you have an equation inside a bracket and raised to the power of something, mostly we normally use the chain rule in order to carry out such kind of differentiation. So let's take this one as a case example so that you can see how you can be able to carry out this differentiation. So we are asked to differentiate y is equals to 2x raised to the power of 2 plus 4x minus 3 then to the power of 4. So if you want to apply the chain rule to this kind of equation, the first thing you need to do is that you are going to differentiate this power. Remember the power rule will bring down this power down. So this is going to be, that means dy dx is going to be, so we'll bring down the power. If we bring down the power, we're going to have 4 here. Then we'll subtract 1 from the power, but we are going to write everything that is inside the bracket as it is. So we'll have 2x squared plus 4x minus 3. Then remember I said we are going to subtract 1 from the power. 4 minus 1 is going to be 3. Okay, so this is going to be 3. And then after that again, then you differentiate everything that's inside the bracket. So we are going to differentiate everything here. So you write another open bracket again. We'll differentiate 2x raised to the power of 2. So remember we are differentiating this one. You bring down the power. It is going to become, multiplying by these 2 now, it's going to become 2 times 2 will be 4x. And then we'll subtract 1 from the power. If subtract 1 is going to become 1. So we're just left with 4x. Then plus the next one, we'll differentiate this one. If we differentiate 4x, you know the answer is just going to be 1. It's just going to be 4, okay? So we are just left with 4. And then if we differentiate 3, it's going to be 0. 0 is a constant. So what we are left with is just 4x plus 4. So close the bracket. So we can rearrange it by bringing this one first, so that all this power is greater than this one. So we can write it as 4. Then we'll write this one into 4x plus 4. Then open bracket 2x to the power of 2 plus 4x minus 3 to the power of 3. And so this is the solution to this question. Okay.